Actually po, yung pagpa-perform sa Araneta again right now is very kakaiba yung feeling no. Knowing na celebrating namin yung we're celebrating yung 7th year. Kasi nga yung Araneta naging parang bahay na namin siya. From the past years, we've been performing here sa Araneta almost like how many times in a year. So, nakakatuwa lang na sakto rin po sa concept namin ng simula at wakas. We're celebrating 7th year and we're still going back kung saan kami nagsimula. So just like here sa Araneta, dito kami nagsimula. It's one of the first biggest stages na tungtungan namin. So we're very thankful that Araneta is always welcoming us. So maraming salamat Araneta.
Siguro it's because we try to control, of course, each other. I mean, in terms of emotions, na we try to keep every achievement and every failures as it's okay. We have to move on. We have to make new music, and we have to, of course, take care of the people around us. And sometimes it gets you to the point na parang pag super nakaka-excite kasi, tas na-disappoint ka, minsan wala siya ng motivation. So for us, we just keep on going. We just keep on going. We know that we have each other, we have our team, we have the fans. And siguro yun yung isa sa mga main reasons but kinikip namin yung feet namin on the ground. And of course, we always try to look back. Saan nga ba kami talaga nag-ground?
Of course, for 18, actually lagi naman namin sinasabi na we're very thankful, we're very happy na kasama namin kayo sa lifetime na to. Pero ang totoo talaga niyan ay mas masaya kami na nakita namin kayo at nakilala namin ang isa't isa dahil pag binalikan naman natin 'to mula noon, ang punot dahilan talaga nito ay kayo talaga. Nung mga panahon na akala namin dun na magtatapos lahat, dumating kayo para simulan ulit at bigyan ulit ng apoy yung pangarap namin. At nandito kami ngayon dahil dun sa inyo, dahil sa mga binibigay niyong inspirasyon din sa'min. Kung para sa inyo kami inspirasyon, para sa inyo nagkakamali kayo. Kayo ang inspirasyon namin dahil hindi naman namin gagawin ng mga 'to kung hindi rin dahil sa support at pagmamahal niyo. So, I think masayang-masaya kami na hanggang ngayon ay kumpleto tayo at patuloy na dumadami. Sana marami pa tayong ma-achieve together and sana ready pa rin kayo kahit gaano man katagal tayo abutin at kung ano pa may mga mangyari sa atin, sana nandiyan pa rin kayo. Ayun, thank you so much and always remember that SB19 loves you.
Happy 7th year!